Commercial pest oil, based on petroleum products. You can make homemade pest oil using 2 ingredients from your kitchen. You will need some cooking oil like canola oil, cottonseed oil, olive oil or any vegetable oil and dishwashing soap. You can take any liquid soap without any detergent and bleach. I will use canola oil. You may take oil used once for frying. Pour ½ cup or 125 milliliters oil in a clear bottle. Then add 30 milliliter liquid soap in it. The soap works as an emulsifier, which helps oil to disperse in water. The soap will help oil to mix in water in the spray. You can take any amount of oil, but the soap should be 1/4 of the oil. Shake bottle well until it becomes white. This is the concentrated pest oil. It will keep well for over a year. Now make the pest oil spray. Mix about 2 milliliters concentrate in 1 liter water in a spray bottle. Shake well to mix soil in water thoroughly. If you see floating oil drops in water, then add some more soap and shake. Spray on both sides of the leaves, stems and trunk to cover insects well to suffocate and kill them. Tips for using homemade pest oil. Do not spray when temperature is more than 30 degrees Celsius or in hot sun to prevent leaf burning. Always test the spray on a small portion of the plant. Only use on healthy, unstressed plants to make sure that it will not harm the plant. Shake the bottle frequently to disperse the oil in water. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscription button below this video or click the logo here.